If you browse Reddit on your phone without the app, you might have hit this. A pop-up that says get the app to keep using Reddit, and it will not go away. You can't dismiss it, you can't scroll past it, it freezes the entire page. Reddit is deliberately breaking its own website to force you into its app. Here's what's going on and how to kill it. Here's the mechanic. Reddit started rolling this out in May in waves. It targets people browsing Reddit on a mobile browser while logged out. The pop-up completely hijacks the screen, no scrolling, no comments, no menus. And here's the annoying part. Switching to old.reddit does not fully fix it. They've made the normal website deliberately unusable to push you towards the app. Here's Reddit's official line. A spokesperson said, "We recently started running a test for a small subset of frequent logged out mobile users that prompts them to download the app after visiting the site." Notice the wording, a test, a small subset. But the reason is simple. Reddit makes far more money and data from app users than from web visitors. The reaction has been furious. Over on a Reddit community that tracks how big platforms slowly get worse over time, one user called it dystopian. Another said, if Reddit forces us to download an app, then I won't use Reddit anymore. This is the same pattern we keep seeing. A free service you rely on, quietly made worse to squeeze you. Here's how to beat it. The simplest method, clear your browser's cache and cookies for Reddit. That makes you look like a brand new visitor and the pop-up stops. Method 2, open Reddit in a private or incognito tab. Method 3, which is the strongest on Firefox mobile, install uBlock Origin and turn on the ad guard annoyances and uBlock annoyances filter lists. That blocks the pop-up from ever rendering. Now here's my guru's catch. This is what platform decay looks like in real time. A platform takes something that worked, the open mobile website, and deliberately breaks it to corner you. Reddit's planning an IPO, so expect more of this, not less. If you want the open web to survive, use it through a browser with proper content blocking. Don't reward the broken version by caving to the app.